Alright, so it's been a minute since we did anything here with the BRS, so she's about due for a good cleaning and some fresh True Oil. So we're gonna do that now. Gotta give her some love. It's been a minute. Spent all that time on the Les Paul rebuild and stitch. So started unstringing it and decided, hey, what the heck, let's film it. Something to do, right? And while we're at it here, been going through some things towards the end of the summer here. Not too many people have seen it because YouTube is blocking the videos from even being released out to subscribers. So I've been dealing with some skin cancer stuff recently, and we're in a second phase of it now, where I've had they had it diagnosed. They did some biopsies and came up to be basal cell on the right side of my nose, on my cheek, and on my neck. So went through the biopsies, and then about the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. This Friday will be 2 weeks since I had what they call Mohs surgery, where they cut layers of the cancer away, and they freeze it and look at it under a microscope, and then they go back and do some more and some more until they get to the point where they have what they call a clean margin around where the cancer was. So basically that constituted pretty much removing a good portion of the right side of my nose. So I had to go immediately after that to a hospital up in Rochester and have reconstructive surgery done, plastic surgery, whatever you want to call it. And they basically took a chunk down out of my forehead, folded it over, and sewed it onto my nose. Right now I'm in a recovery process of that, and hopefully my fat head is not interrupting this video and getting scarring and stuff in the video here, so YouTube takes it down as well. But I figured this is a good way to let everybody know what's going on and keep a video going. Point people to the issue at hand, so as it may be, because there's in my travels here, I've seen far too many people ignoring their cancers of various forms and not seeking any treatment. So that has become a goal for me, is to put these videos out and let everybody know what the process is exactly. Some people say it's too painful, some people say it's expensive, but the big thing is too many people are like, it's just skin cancer. Well, guess what, people? Skin cancer is still a serious thing. It can and does migrate pretty quickly. It will, if let go long enough, will get into bone, get into other organs, and then it becomes a real problem. So my big thing now is to get the word out to as many people as possible, what the process is, the procedures are, what the pain level is, exactly the recuperation. I've got some detailed videos. Kind of freaks some people out. Honestly, it kind of freaked me out. seeing what they had to do. But it was a necessary thing to cure a necessary evil. And that's pretty much what it is. So I am going to keep taking this down. I'm going to take the tuners off, take the truss rod cover off, straighten the neck again. I'm going to wipe this all down, clean it up, and start applying another few coats of True Oil on it. And I'll get back on the video when it gets to that point.